Hi, this is Jillian with another episode of SEO Easy Peasy, because marketing your online business with SEO should be easy peasy. Today we're going to talk about having SEO friendly videos. This is really important because videos are huge now. So any advantage that you can have to make your videos get to the top of the search results, whether it's in YouTube or on Google search or in any kind of social media platform, you want to do this to your advantage. And Captions is one of the best ways to really get your SEO boost. So Captions, we're talking about Captions, the closed captioning you see at the bottom of videos, not the burned in kind that like you'd make. These are just like you've created a video, now you want to add captions. And you might not know this, but YouTube actually creates captions automatically that you can use and you can have displayed. And I'll teach you in other videos about how you can use those captions on other social media platforms as well. So anyways, let's jump in and I'm going to show you how to caption your videos in YouTube. So let's hop over to YouTube, and I am on my Launch for Life YouTube page. And what I want to do is access one of my videos. So I'm going to go up here to the top corner. I'm going to click on me and my partner and our little icon. And then instead of going to your channel, I'm going to go to Creator Studio. So I click that, and this is sort of the behind the scenes area of everybody's YouTube channel. So this is what I see on mine, you'd see on yours, but other people don't see this bit. So here we go. Here's some of the videos. And if I clicked on here, I would see all videos, but I'm just going to work with this first one that I've got, which is just a test video. So here I'm going to go up where it says edit, but if I wanted to go to an older one, I would just click view all 190 and I could access any of these. And I'm accessing public videos, private videos, unlisted videos. Every video that I've ever uploaded, this is where I'm doing this in YouTube. So I'm going to go and I am going to work with this specific video, and I want to click on here where it says edit, the drop down arrow, edit, and then subtitles CC. So I click on that and it pulls up this screen, manage subtitles and close captions. And right now, if I go ahead and click, we don't see any, right? I'm talking, no captions are done. So the captions are there, but they haven't been turned on yet. And I think YouTube does this to give you a chance to kind of clean them up. Because for the most part, I'd say they do a really good job with the captioning. It's probably about 95% right. Sometimes even better, but it doesn't know where the periods should be and the commas should be and where should you start a capital letter, all those different things. And every once in a while, it will not sure exactly what you say. So it could put in a totally different word, which looks goofy. For instance, my name is Jillian. It's spelled with a G. YouTube always puts me with a J. It's just the things you do. So it's always good to go in and clean your captions up. So what you do is you go here where it says English Automatic. Click on that, and then what you want to do is you want to click edit. So now all of a sudden we see here are the captions that YouTube has already found for us. So I don't even have to upload anything. I don't have to type anything. They're already here for me. And as I can see, it's sort of one string of words. They put a couple of capitals in here and there for Sunday and Camtasia. So like I said, it's pretty smart. So I know here it is. I am doing a test about how to add captions to my Camtasia videos, period. Capital S. So here we are on a bright and sunny Sunday. It's not actually that bright, but it is still Sunday, period. And then capital A. And I just wanted to give a test and see how this all works. Okay. Oops, probably put the period here and make this capital OK. Okay, trying to keep this under a minute, so we will stop here, period. And there we go. There's my captions. How easy was that? So if I go ahead now and click, I'll go to the very top and I will click play. Now you could fiddle around and put more commas in. You can change the timing on any of these. So if you want this to be shorter and this one to be longer, you can do all sorts of stuff, but I really like to keep it easy, and I just kind of go in and do the basics because you know, people aren't grading me here. It's like I just want to do enough work that it looks clean and can be up there and I'm okay. So now if I go ahead and I click Save Changes, and here are my captions. So if I go over here, now if I want, let's go see if they worked. Okay, so you notice they're not actually showing yet. The user would have to click them. So if I want them to display automatically, if I go into settings and I can do subtitles, I want my subtitles English, right? Because that's the new one I just did. This was the automatic one YouTube did. This is the one I've just edited, which is not automatic because I published it, right? So that just says English. So I want that one. So now my captions will automatically be displayed. So that's it. That's all I had to do. So go back to the video manager. And I should see that CC now shows up beside my video, which means that I have automatically got those closed captions. So let's just test it. So it's obviously working. Let's go try it in another browser just to see how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up. So you see, I'm not even signed into YouTube on a different browser, and I can see that as soon as you play my video, my captions are displaying. So that's great, and it should show it in the YouTube search field as well. So that's all you need to do to have captions display on your YouTube videos. I hope you found this episode of SEO Easy Peasy helpful. If you did, I hope you will subscribe to our channel and you will not miss a further and future episodes of SEO Easy Peasy. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave those below and we'll get back with you. Thanks.